What is the name of our country? India, Bharat, Hindustan. India, Bharat, Hindustan is the names of our country. What is the capital of our country? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Who is the current president of India? Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind is the current president of India. Who is the vice president of India? Venkaiah Naidu. Venkaiah Naidu is the vice president of India. Who is the current prime minister of India? Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is the current prime minister of India. Who is the current minister of defense? Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh is the current minister of defense. Who is the current minister of home affairs? Amit Shah is the current minister of home affairs. How many states and union territories of India at present? 28 states and 8 union territories of India at present. The official language of India is Hindi and English. Hindi and English is the official language of India. The national animal of India is tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. The national bird of India is peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. The national fruit of India is mango. Mango is the national fruit of India. The national tree of India is Indian banyan tree. Indian banyan tree is the national tree of India. The national flower of India is lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. National anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. Jana Gana Mana was originally written in which language? Bengali. Jana Gana Mana was originally written in Bengali language. National song of India is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. National song of India was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was written the national song of India. The largest state by population in India. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest populated state in India. National aquatic animal of India is Ganges river dolphin. Ganges river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. National river of India is Ganga. Ganga is the national river of India. National currency of India is Indian rupee. Indian rupee is the national currency of India. National vegetable of India is pumpkin. Pumpkin is the national vegetable of India. National reptile of India is king cobra. King cobra is the national reptile of India. National heritage animal of India is elephant. Elephant is the national heritage animal of India.